Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you guys outlining how you can generate more traffic for your business and set yourself up for 2020. So looking at your guys' website, I really like your website. I really like the design aspect you have to this. It's really easy to go through, easy to look at. Really like what you guys have going on there. I really like that you have this click to call button. This is fantastic. People are doing mobile search very often these days. So having these click to call buttons on here is very important. So definitely awesome that you have that. One recommendation I do have for your guys' website that'll really help with your overall rankings is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches. And what they found from this study is that all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So increasing the amount of content you have on here will definitely help you guys with your rankings. But overall, I really like what you guys have going on with this website. Looks really good. Definitely quality build you guys have going on here. So looking at keywords, I did a little bit of research. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool, but they do have like a 7-day, $7 trial. So if that is something you guys are interested in as far as looking at any of these keywords and verifying this information I'm giving you, definitely feel free to do that. But focusing on the security camera side of it, like you guys mentioned in your Facebook message, there is a lot of search volume for the security cameras, and there's a little bit I showed here for IT support. But security cameras Los Angeles is currently getting 400 searches per month. Security camera installation Los Angeles is getting 250. So there's 650 searches per month just for these two keywords. Being in the top spot for one of these, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So you're looking at over 200 searches per month just for these two keywords if you guys were to be in the top spot for these, coming to your guys' website looking for your guys' services. So we're going to be focusing on security cameras Los Angeles for this. All the information I'm going to be showing you today just because it has the highest search volume. So looking at security cameras Los Angeles, there's a couple of things we're looking at here. This is the Google paid ads, so everybody's pretty familiar with this. This is definitely a great option for getting business or for generating clients right away. But as soon as that ad spend stops or you stop paying Google to have your business posted up here on top, you're also going to stop having the leads come in. So you're going to be much better and see a lot higher return on investment, getting your business organically ranked here in the GMB or 3-pack and organically ranked here in these search results. Excuse me. So what we're going to look at is there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this. The first one is citations, and that's your business name, address, and phone number. Some great citation sources you can find are Yelp and Yellowbook, websites like this, these directory websites, where you can list that information are great. The more citations you guys have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Another factor for this is actually on your GMB itself. So how optimized out you guys have your GMB as far as having all your information on here, the amount of pictures you have, the amount of reviews you have, and then obviously your description. So with this description, you really want to make sure that you're targeting right about 500 words for this description. And with that, you also want to make sure you're including some of these high search volume keywords that you guys really want to rank for. So where people are making those searches, you guys are going to be pulling up in those search results. And then the last factor is actually your organic rankings. So where you sit organically for this search result will also play a big influence on if you're going to be in this 3-pack. Organically, you guys aren't ranking for this search term at all currently, and I'll show you that here right now. So looking at your guys' website, again, Ahrefs has a lot of different tools within it. And this allows me to see the back end of your guys' website and what you have going on for your SEO or search engine optimization. So what we're looking at on this is backlinks and referring domains. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A, and he's going to link himself to the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And by website A linking himself to website B, it in turn brings up that popularity of website B, makes it more popular in Google's eyes, and brings you up in the rankings. So currently you guys have 2 backlinks from 2 referring domains. The most important part with these referring domains is if they're do follow or not. And that do follow means that you're actually getting what we call backlink juice coming back to your website. So currently you guys don't have any do follow domains, which isn't a total problem. But definitely if you guys are wanting to move up in the rankings, you really need to be targeting these high power do follow domains in order to make that happen. Looking at some of your competition, LASecurityCameras.com, they do have a ton of content on this homepage. It would definitely be a big task to beat the amount of content they have just because they have it set up as a blog. So they have a lot of content on this homepage. Again, I want you to target that 1,500 to 2,000 words in order to start generating this kind of traffic that you guys are looking for moving into 2020. Looking at the back end of their website, they do have a lot of backlinks and referring domains, but a lot of their backlinks are also from very spammy websites. The quality of backlink you're getting is a very important factor on the amount of weight that Google is going to bring behind that and moving you guys up in the rankings. So increasing the amount of backlinks you guys have, while you may not need 402 because they have a lot of spammy backlinks. So increasing those backlinks will definitely help you guys pass them up. Looking at the next company, Digital Surveillance. Looking at their website, they have a little bit of content, but still not very much on this homepage. So again, target that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Looking at the back end of their website, they only have 40 do-follow referring domains. So very easy to pass these guys up. So your guys' keys to success for 2020, if you want to start generating a lot of new traffic for your business, would be getting your website or your business into this 3-pack. So increase the amount of citations you have, optimizing out that GMB, including all your pictures and your description, and then getting some high quality backlinks pointed towards your website to where you're moving up into this search results here and getting into that top spot. Again, there's a lot of search volume available for you guys. Definitely you want to take advantage of this if you want to grow your business in 2020. Thank you.